Amazon's robot revolution, a job displacement story. Amazon, the tech giant, has been quietly preparing for a future where robots take over. According to a recent report from the New York Times, Amazon is planning to replace a staggering 600,000 human workers with robots by 2033. This move has sparked intense debate and raised concerns about the future of employment. The rise of the robot army. Amazon isn't new to using robots in its warehouses. For over a decade, they've been deploying robots like Kiva, designed to handle the heavy lifting and repetitive tasks. But now, the company is accelerating its robot integration, aiming to replace a significant portion of its workforce. The report highlights internal Amazon documents suggesting a strategic shift towards robot-powered operations. While the exact number of layoffs remains uncertain, the plan could lead to a substantial reduction in human jobs. This move is seen as a cost-saving strategy, allowing Amazon to meet growing demand without hiring additional human workers. Community impact and spin. Amazon is aware of the potential backlash and is trying to spin the narrative. They're investing in community events, aiming to portray themselves as responsible corporate citizens. By participating in local parades and initiatives like Toys for Tots, they hope to build goodwill. Additionally, they're using terms like advanced technology instead of automation and cobot instead of robot to soften the impact. A controversial perspective. However, this approach raises questions. Some argue that Amazon's actions could lead to widespread job displacement, particularly in communities heavily reliant on Amazon employment. The potential loss of 600,000 jobs is a significant blow to the economy, and the impact on individual lives cannot be understated. The human cost. The report's impact on wages is alarming. Studies show that each robot added per 1,000 workers reduces U.S. wages by 0.42%, leading to the loss of approximately 400,000 jobs. This highlights the potential for widespread economic disruption. Amazon's response. Amazon's spokesperson refutes the idea of widespread layoffs, emphasizing their commitment to job creation. They claim to be actively hiring for the holiday season, filling 250,000 positions. However, the company's track record and the potential scale of robot integration leave many questioning the long-term sustainability of this approach. The future of work. This story raises important questions about the future of work. As automation advances, will human jobs become increasingly obsolete? How can we ensure a fair transition for workers affected by technological advancements? These are complex issues that require careful consideration and open dialogue.